Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this quick spag. Let's dive into the video. Mwah. Now I added oil into my already hot pot. I added my sliced onions and I allowed it to fry for a bit. I added my all-purpose spice into the oil and allowed it to fry. I added my bay leaf to infuse more flavors into this oil. Now it's time to add my garlic. I love garlic. My fresh garlic paste, I stirred everything together. The aroma was mwah. I now added my curry powder. It's time to add my beef, my washed beef. This method is because I didn't have enough time to marinate my beef. So with this method, even if you're having a quick cooking, you do not need to worry. This method works every time. I added my salt, I added my knorr powder, and I stirred everything together to marry each other. Wow. As I was stirring it, they were marrying themselves. It's that time to cover, to allow them to marry themselves very, very well, so that the beef will absorb all those beautiful aromas, all those spices into itself. And I tell you, it came out beautifully well. The meat was so tasty. I stirred and stirred. I now added my peppers, plenty. I love hot food. I love it when my food is spicy. And in this pepper, I added grinded onion. Everything came out together. Just take a look at it, how it has cooked, and the beef has absorbed all those beautiful spices into itself, and it's tasting and it came out so nice. You can see for yourself. Wow, we are ready to go into the next level. We are adding our tomato paste. Oh, it's time to fry sugar out of this tomato paste, because we do not want anything to make our spaghetti not to be the best it can be. Now, as we are frying this tomato, remember the beef is still inside though. Because I needed the beef to be tender, so that by the time you be eating the meat, you don't need to struggle like you're struggling with the beef. You need to take your time and have a smooth bite right while eating your beef. Now the tomato paste has fried. It's time to add our fresh tomatoes. I love adding fresh tomatoes to my spaghetti. It gives it this fresh taste. It quickens it and makes it taste very, very fresh and nice. Now it's time to add my Maggi powder. I'm stirring everything together so that they will all marry each other very, very well. Everything has come together beautifully well. Take a look at it. Our tomato paste, our tomato sauce is ready for our spaghetti. Let's go into boiled spaghetti. Now the water is boiling. Our next step is to add salt. Do not forget to add salt, because this salt, the spaghetti will absorb this salt and it will add more taste to your spaghetti. Now, another most important aspect of this, you must stir. You must stir your spaghetti like there is no tomorrow. Do not just pour it and leave it. You will have lump spaghetti. Have you been wondering why whenever you cook spaghetti, you do see lump? It's because you did not stir. Please stir it. Stir until they are fully separated. Cover and allow to cook for 5 minutes. Now our spaghetti has cooked for 5 minutes. It's ready to be turned out. Now I'm turning it out into my sieve and I'm running cold water over it. I'm putting it back into my pot with little water. You see, it's high time to pour in that beautiful tomato sauce into my spaghetti, so that I can mix everything thoroughly, so that everything will come together. Now it's time to turn. I turned everything. I raised the remaining tomato paste on the pot with little water. I added it into it and I began to stir. I stirred and stirred like there was no tomorrow. Wow, they are coming together. Take a look at it. Can you imagine that? Quick and beautiful, quick and yummy. I added my cabbage, fresh shredded cabbage, into my spaghetti. I love adding vegetables into my spag. I now added my shredded carrots as well, and I began to stir. I added my onion, yes, fresh onion at this stage. Yes, I love that crunchiness. I began to stir. I stirred them together. They must marry each other. Wow. After stirring, everything came together. Look at this spaghetti. It was cooked in a very short time, and I had a beautiful time. I enjoyed myself. Thank you all for watching. Please like, hit the subscribe button, and share my videos to your loved ones. Mwah. Thank you all. Love you all. See you in my next. Bye.